Hello. I have extra paints. Bonus flower. So let's get started. So I have this pale blue. I did have to add some more white to it, so I had enough for my canvas. So the colors I'm using is from that blue swipe I just did. But I have to admit, I didn't have quite enough, so I had to tweak them a little bit. Now, I added some of my leftover paints that I keep in my little containers. So this one, I added a purple, which lended to this really nice silvery purple, metallic. And this one, I added a touch of green, but it still looks pretty metallic-y blue. It doesn't look very green to me. And this one, I added green. And this one definitely looks green. But I'm going to start with pearl white. That was the purplish one. Another pearl white. Let's do the blue one. Pearl white. And now the green one. And then, like usual, I will speed it up for you. Okay, well, that's pretty. Oh, look, it's starting to flow over the sides already. Didn't even give me a chance. But we're still gonna... That's the skewer. Now I get my marker. Now I'm going to get my paper towel wet. Oh, it's like it was spraying. There we go. Now it's misting. bet this color combination is going to be nice. Up. Oh, it wasn't down the center. You can tell here's the center and it's supposed to be there. Let's move that center where it should be. You can't move it too much. Drag it where it should be. Okay. Now, it has silicone in it, so I'm not going to torch it because it's already doing its thing. But it still has to settle. I'm not going to spin it. It looks like it has plenty of paint on the base, which is probably why it went over the sides so easily. I love the color combination. And I can see the metallics just shimmering away. Let's see if I can fix that center. Bringing all of these where they should go. It's kind of working. It did work, actually. I brought everything to the center. Let's see if we can. Okay. Yeah, that looks better. So here we are, another edition of the bonus flower. Thanks for coming by. I appreciate you. I hope to see you soon.